Let me show you how we can remove objects and people from photos on iPhone 17e. So first of all, we're gonna go to the Photos app, and then over here we're gonna open the photo that we wish to edit. Tap on this button with 3 sliders, and we should be able to proceed to the cleanup option. Now over here in cleanup, we can tap, brush, or circle the subject that we want to remove from our photo. So let's say I'm gonna highlight this person over here, and immediately it is gone, as you can see over here. And once you are done, you should be able to either tap on a done in the upper right corner, or you can tap on the 3 dots in order to save as a duplicate if you want to keep the original photo. We can do exactly the same thing with objects. It doesn't work only on people, it also works with other stuff as well. So we're gonna select the car toy in this case, and after a couple of seconds it should be erased. And well, it actually applied a safety filter for some reason. I'm not sure why it was not erased, but let's see if this is going to work. Unfortunately, yeah, sometimes you can see that instead of removing this object, the phone tries to erase it. So, and it seems that I cannot really adjust it. At least it doesn't seem like I can do so. But maybe let me try to use another photo, maybe this one over here. If I start editing it, if I go to cleanup, I should be able to now select this car toy over here. And let's see if it's going to work. Can I select it? Okay, I'll just draw around it then. There we go. And as you can see now, it actually removed. So I'm not sure why sometimes it tries to pixelate it in order to censor it or something. But it is what it is. This is the tool that we can use, at least without using any third-party apps. Of course, you can still try to use third-party apps as well. So if you can find an app in the App Store that is supposed to be used to erase things and people from photos, then of course you can give it a try as well. Leave a like and subscribe.